How to use Instagram beginner's guide. So if you want to learn using Instagram, then first you need to make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, make sure that you've installed the application and open up your Instagram. So once you have the Instagram app set up and have created your account, this is what the main homepage looks like. At the top, you'll see the Instagram stories from the people that you follow. So here you can also swipe and then see all of the Instagram stories that you followed. You can tap someone's profile icon in the menu to see the temporary post that disappear after 24 hours. You can tap to keep watching and you'll be able to watch the stories. Now as you scroll the main portion of the feed, you'll see feed post from accounts you follow, sponsored post and suggested post that Instagram thinks you like. If you only want to see posts from people you follow, tap on the Instagram option which is on the top left, and then you can select favorites or following. You can also add your friends to favorites and then look at the feed of just your favorites. So if you see a post and you like the post, then you can tap on the heart icon which is on the bottom left to like the post, or you can also double tap on the post to like it. You can also go with the bubble icon to go with the comment section, and right beside the bubble icon you will have a share option so that you can share it with your friends. Or there are also other options. You can also share it with your friends, or you can also add to your story. You'll have that option on the bottom left, or you can add that to your WhatsApp status or your WhatsApp chats, messenger chats. You can also share it on any other social media application like Facebook, Snapchat, SMS, Twitter, Threads, and so on. Now after that, this was about the home page. Right, now if you go with the second one is the Instagram Explorer page. Here you'll see featured posts and reels, Instagram things that you like based on your activity on Instagram. The more you use the app, the better tailored the Explorer page will be to your personal taste. In the search bar at the top, you can search for any topic that you want to see the post about, or type in the name of someone you want to follow. For example, I'll go with a person or a celebrity. After searching, now here you can just simply tap on follow and you'll be able to follow that person. After that, the third option is the plus icon, from where you'll be able to post some pictures, images, videos. You can go with while using the application. Allow and tap on OK, and you can go with post, or you can go with story or reels, or you can also go live. So these are the four options. You'll also have some templates. You can have some settings on the top. So these are all of the options to create a new reel, or to post a story, or to post some photos or videos on your Instagram. From here you'll be able to post. Now the fourth option is reel. From here you'll be able to see or watch reels of Instagram. And the last one is your profile. You can go with your profile, and from here you'll have the information. You can edit your profile, you can share your profile, or you will have the information how many members follow you or how many members you are following. You will have all of your stories if you've highlighted them, and here you will have your post. Then if you swipe, you will have your reels, and again if you swipe it, then you will have the photos and videos of you in which you've been tagged on. So this is your profile. You can go with the top right, which has that three dots, from where you will have your settings and privacy. So from here you will have all of your settings if you want to adjust any settings of your Instagram. So that's it. That's how you can use your Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.